welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Humbie. I'm sorry that this video is coming out too late. I actually contemplated about even doing it, not doing it for the Ipsy. So this was the first month that they have the merge with Boxy and Ipsy, and I was excited about this. Ain't gonna lie, super excited, couldn't wait to get it. And this is how I received it, and this is why I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it. If I have another box like this coming, this is it for me. This is how it came, okay? I can't tilt it more because I will show you why. There was no packaging. Usually with Ipsy, they put stuff in there. With Boxy Charm, they usually have the foam. They literally just put this in there for protection, and that was it. Like, literally, let me grab every single one in here, because, like, I can't make this up. Can't make this up. So let's just be careful with this because I have powder everywhere. So first item I got is from Supergoop. I was excited about this. This is the Daily Dose Hydrating Boost. It is a sunscreen oil. My sister loves Supergoop. So I was super excited about this because I'm always looking for really good, sunblock and sunscreen. So always happy to try something out. Also super excited about this. I have been wanting to try JLo Beauty. I've heard great things about it. So I was excited to try that. So we got it's a JLo Beauty That Fresh Take. It's an eye cream. The packaging is super cute. And here it is. Really not much scent to it at all. There's really no fragrance to it. So we got this. I also got it's from Wonder Beauty. It's the Sweet Escape. It's an eyeshadow palette. How adorable. I like the packaging. It's very sleek. And look at how pretty these colors are. For the springtime, I think that that's super adorable. Wow. That's gorgeous. So I was excited about that. And here's some swatches. It does look pretty for the springtime. I did receive this with the points. So if you have points, you can actually claim it for things. So I chose this. This is from Plum. It's Candy Melts. And that's just the box it came in. And it's just a lip balm. It is vegan. It smells super yummy. Look at that. I can't wait to try that. We also got this eyelash enhancing serum. So I did choose this, and you just apply that on your lash line, and it's supposed to help with your lashes. So I have tried some of these out before in the past. I haven't been too impressed with them, so I can't wait to try this one and see how I like it. So now this is where it goes wrong. I was super excited about these products too. So this one, I tried to save it. Hopefully it will be okay, but we got it's from Natasha Denona Alloy palette. Alloy. This one came shattered, but I thought that these were pretty. I did try pressing that back in. Hopefully I saved it. We will see. This right here, there was no salvation. I knew there was something wrong when I opened it, there was powder everywhere. And I was so excited about this. This is from Cab Cosmetics. And I tried cleaning it up because obviously I didn't want to get it all over the place. But shattered. I'm trying to but that's how it came. You know, I understand that things happen with packaging. You know, if they had put something in here, I feel like I'd be a little bit more like, okay, at least they tried. But you could just tell they didn't try at all. And I don't know, I just wasn't like happy about it. I did contact them and they said they were going to be sending me out replacements. But last time I did that, they actually did not send me the same products. They sent me like literally small little replacements I get of other products that you would get in the smaller bag. And I'm kind of just like, and what they were replacing was also a Natasha Denona. It was like a blush duo where it comes with the cream and a powder, and the powder was completely shattered. So I contacted them and they were just like, oh, you know, we're sorry that this happened. Let's send out a replacement. But they didn't even send me the same item. They sent me a blush from, I think was Mode, and it was a small blush. Actually, it wasn't even a blush. It was a bronzer, and it was small. It was like a travel size or a sample that you get in the smaller bag. So let's see what they send it to me. I was also waiting to see what I got, because I got this about, I think now almost 2 weeks ago, and I still haven't received the replacements. Hopefully this week I will get them. We will see. But guys, please let me know how your box came, and let me know what your thoughts are on with this new merge and how you're feeling about it. Just let me know down in the comments below. I'm really sorry if this was kind of negative. I always try not to be negative with my videos, but I just kind of want to see what other people have experienced this month with their new subscription box with the combined companies. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that like button. It truly means the world to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.